Hello students, I am Dr. Tanmoy. I welcome you all in my channel. I request everyone, please read the question. What is the starting material of this? It's actually KMnO4 oxidation. Exact condition I have not written, just I want to give a conceptual clarity. So 4 options are provided. I request everyone, please pause the video. Try by yourself, and if you get any answer, please write in the comment box. Don't worry, I shall explain. I believe you have tried, so let's start. Now, before going to details, one thing I want to say that let's learn a little bit about the property of potassium permanganate or KMnO4. It is actually very powerful oxidizing agent because this manganese is in +7 oxidation state. It's the highest oxidation state of manganese, and its oxidizing power depends on the reaction condition. Like if you take cold dilute alkaline KMnO4, you get cis-diol, Beer's test. If you increase the concentration of reagent or temperature, then you get dicarbonyl, aldehyde or ketone. Or if you think, sir, I want to make the condition more drastic, you will end up corresponding carboxylic acid derivative. Now, if you use any terminal alkene, CH2, so this part will be ultimately oxidized into formic acid. And this formic acid is actually reducing in nature. It's a unique property of formic acid. Why? Because this formic acid has an aldehyde group. So aldehyde could be oxidized by KMnO4 into carbon dioxide, where the oxidation state of carbon is the highest, +4. So this is another. So that's why you can see in this problem there is a carbon dioxide. So you need to check, okay, terminal CH2 must be there. By the way, this point is present, all of them, so no, it will not help you. Now this problem you can try by yourself by writing everything by your strategy, you can do. But I have my own personal strategy. What is that? First, I need to identify this tertiary carbon atom. Next, see one carbon here, after that COH. Here one carbon, COH. Now here two carbon, then COH. So this criteria I need to find out. Now look at here, let's point out the tertiary carbon present each of the molecule. Now you can say, sir, is it possible? No, it must be sp3 hybridized. So it is not. Now, after that one carbon, CH2, saturated. Here sp2, not possible. Now, if you look at this is possible, this is possible, here is also not possible, this is sp2, gone. Now, let's compare between B versus C. Now, in case of C, okay, this is C1, this is C1, yes, carbon 1, carbon 1. Now, this is 1, again 1 carbon, but this side I need 2. That's not possible, because if you oxidize it, this part will be COH. So, you will have one CH2 group before this, but there are two CH2 groups. So this is also not possible. Now you can say, sir, only option B left, this is the right answer. I agree, but let's verify it. Now if you look at this case C1, then if you cut it this side, COH. Now again this side is also COH, 2 carbon, okay, accepted. Now you can say, sir, this side is C1, then cut it COH, this side is also formic acid. So this is the right answer, and this formic acid will be oxidized to carbon dioxide by KMnO4. So this is the right answer. Very often students lose control. You need to learn how to keep your mind cool. So that's how you can solve such kind of question very efficiently. So this is the right answer. Now, two kind of strategies applicable for such question. First, eliminate the wrong option. Just I have cancelled out option A and option D. This is called process of elimination. It helps you to cool your mind and try to identify the right answer more efficiently. So this is the overall discussion. I believe this video may be useful. Thanks for watching, and if you really enjoy my content, please like the videos and write your opinion. It encourages me a lot to make new videos. Bye bye.